Okay, so he said, "Boo, right?" Nope, that's not it. But it's something else.
Yeah.
So he's going, fuck, psh.
Oh.
I don't know.
Oh no.
Beep boop beep boop boop.
Pew, 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 pew. Oh.
That's very like basic, you know. And there's people that can do that really fast and it sounds cool, and then they put inward bass into it. I can't do inward bass.
Do it again. Do it again.
Yeah, and then you can move it on to something else. That's slow.
Oh my god, I missed one.
Does anyone see this TV?
Yeah, and then just add some other stuff in between. Yeah. You can do the Piano Man, why you
Oh my god, just duck it.
the stuck? No.
It's a level.
It's a rebel. We will hear him play. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's so funny sounding.
Pistache.
The psht, 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 psht. Oh no. I can't do that either. That's
Oh, do it again.
like click roll. You go. You do the like the OD bass. The you go. And then the inward. I can't do it. But anyway, yeah, your tongue, you put the bottom of your tongue on the top of your mouth, flat, and you suck.
Oh my god, so hard.
Yeah, so the bottom of your tongue. So your tongue's like this, right? You got to do this, like this in your mouth. And then the bottom of your tongue is on the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, suck. And then the further back you put your tongue, the deeper the sound.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's hard.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know.
Oh fuck. Oh, shampoo. How?
So like you know how to kiss? You know how to kiss, right?
Yeah.
Make kiss sound. Now you put in the side of your mouth. Yeah. Now you go in and out on the side of your mouth. Mm-hmm. And then you make a sad face and it makes it deeper. It makes us yeah.
Oh.
And then eventually you'll get used to it and you do inward lip roll or whatever. I think it's called hollow lip roll, and it just goes, I don't know. They were doing it down there. I can't do it still. I can't. Yeah, I can't do it. Like I don't know. What else there's there? There's I'm trying to think of the things that I've been learning. Oh, the that's hard to do.
Oh fuck.
I can't do it so hard. That's just regular lip roll.
Yeah, my lips are so tired.
Uh-oh, Jacob, he's looking for me. I see him. Hello? Oh. You?
Very good.
Oh, so cool. Let's go, Squeak.
Squeak.
Squeak, squeak, squeak. Let's squeak.
Can't drop that bass like. Yeah, but you can't do that beatbox move.
No.
I call it the quack.
No, I can't do the quack. I hate the duck sound. I hate the duck sound. I hate it so much. Oh my god.
How?
I don't know.
I don't beatbox.
You don't beatbox? What? But you can make the duck sound, bro? What is this?
Yes.
What do you mean? Literally everyone in the world can do that sound. You know, people talking Donald Duck. Wait, can you do the talking Donald Duck? Talking the duck sound. Can you do that?
I can't.
See, not everyone can do that. You shut up, you.
They still
assuming.
do the duck sound, so you shut up. Actually,
Shh, you should.
I'm not assuming. I'm stating the fact.
I guess. Oh, he can talk in it though. He didn't. He just didn't know. Fuck.
No.
Like some people can say like words in it.
Mm.
See? You can probably do it too.
I
I
don't
bet
want
you
to. I know I can. I don't want to.
See everyone. Oh,
Ho ho ho.
All right, now drop the bass, bro. You keep talking about it.
My tongue is hurting.
What the fuck?
only beatboxing, all from the mouth. Sheesh.
Just a.
Squeak, can you do Macarena?
Oh,
How do you know what the
The
Macarena
whole-
is?
do it.
Hello?
do it.
Can I do the Macarena?
Hey, Macarena.
I'm just surprised you know what that is.
laughing.
I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Hey, Macarena.
Improvised.
Yeah, it was improv.
Is that improvised?
Oh, it's so cool. Cotton! Look!
Captain! Yeah? Yeah? Look! Bongo no.
Ooga boonga.
My name's Giorno.
Oh, look at this bee.
What the f?
What the fuck? Hey, you're a friend.
What?
What are you doing?
I don't see him.
He
You
would
won't let
not
me
be this.
clean.
Do you know? Don't show him.
I won't. I trust you.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, we gonna have a twerk off?
Oh no.
There's
Oh
some
shit.
shit there.
Yeah. Back it up, yeah!
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
This dinosaur?
Oh wait.
Oh, you're
hold
so
on.
cute.
How many
Yeah,
of
what?
you guys are on PC?
Hmm?
All of you? Are all of you on PC?
Mhm. Mhm.
No, I'm desktop.
Okay.
I'm VR.
Okay. Alright, because
PC,
this,
PC.
this
PC
was
VR.
only work for PC players.
Yeah, if you're a
Oh,
questy.
yeah,
Yeah.
PC VR.
Yeah, if
That's
you're
what you mean. Yeah.
just a quest, then you can't see.
What do I look like?
What the fuck, Squig?
Hold on.
It's loading, right? Shit. Why?
Here it is.
Ugh.
Hey, yo, Fred, please stop. Oh my god.
Why are you a maid?
You like jazz?
Stop this.
God.
Stop.
Wait, hold on. Let me come here.
Oh dang, I moved. Well, anyway.
You must be really good at sending pictures.
Oh, I think I'm gonna leave.
Bye.
What the fuck? Okay.
Yo, dude, oh my god. Oh my god, what is that?
I don't know. I can't see anybody, so.
Thomas the flashlight.
Let me just
It's me, yeah. It's me.
It's me, Mario.
It's me, Eki.
It's too hard, that's why people leave.
Whatever. He was tired of being in
Good
VR
luck.
mode. What do you mean,
Holy-
good luck? I'm leaving.